Are you familiar with how software robots are modernizing the workplace? Robotic process automation is the technology helping to deploy digital assistants to help you and your colleagues with some of the most tedious, time-consuming, and repetitive work in order to give you some much-needed time back to focus on strategic and innovative work.
In this video, you'll learn how RPA is helping to streamline public disclosure requests, a process that requires the attention of full-time employees to gather and supply package documentation related to referral visits requested by external stakeholders on a daily basis.
This used to be a tediously manual and time-consuming process that took 30 minutes on average to complete per request, with about 140 requests that the Public Disclosures team receives on a monthly basis. That's 70 hours of manual work a month spent on this process alone. Due to the high volume and repetitive nature of this process, it was selected as the ideal candidate for the robotic process automation pilot. Let's take a look at how the bot is taking over this mundane but essential task. The user starts by launching the attended automation app, in this case, the UiPath Assistant. The bot checks that the user is logged on to Sprout and prompts the user to input the Sprout IDs from pending requests. The user enters the ID in the system, and the bot would navigate to the Referrals module and download the related referral and intake form documents separately. It then navigates to the Summary tab and prints the page as a PDF. And it finalizes by navigating to the Reports tab and batch download the referral reports related to this Sprout ID. If there are over 80 reports attached to the ID, the bot would use the start and end dates to separate them into 2 batch downloads. To complete the process, the bot would work on the background to extract all the reports from the zipped folder, along with the intake and referral documents, and consolidates these files into a single PDF with the appropriate naming convention in the pre-selected folder before asking the user to continue with the next Sprout ID inquiry. The Public Disclosures team and the roughly 40 employees associated with this process can now rely on this robot assistant to process the daily incoming requests, with the transaction time reduced from 30 minutes to 5 minutes on average, saving more than 80% of manual work, which represents about 720 hours per year, and is projected to cover any increase in volume based on future growth, which would have likely resulted in additional employees tasked with the same manual process. This automation helped optimize operational efficiency, reduce human errors, ensure 100% data accuracy, and most importantly, free valuable human resources to focus on higher value and strategic work.